I'm sure you've heard the news. A dreadful collision involving a passenger plane and a military helicopter has occurred in Washington. Greetings, it's Thursday, the 30th of January 2025, and we bring you a grave incident that has just unfolded. Early this morning, an American Airlines aircraft carrying 64 individuals collided with an Army helicopter while attempting to land near a Washington airport. The collision caused the plane to plunge into the icy waters of the Potomac River. Emergency services have swiftly initiated a major rescue operation, battling the severe conditions to search for survivors. Authorities are focusing on the cause of this tragic accident, and efforts are ongoing to provide aid and support to those affected. Our thoughts are with the passengers, crew and their families during this challenging time. We will continue to monitor the situation and bring you the latest updates as they unfold. Stay connected for more information on this developing story. Thank you for watching.